All right, guys, here we are at Cleveland Moto. We got a brand new bike from Vespa, something a lot of people have been waiting on. And I mean, we're pretty excited about it around here. Some of us might even like to say, oh boy! We have got the brand new Primavera. You guys are gonna have to excuse the fact that I'm not on mic, so I'm just gonna have to project and yell at you to make this work. All right, let's see what we got. If we get lucky, we might get Jason, our UPS guy, in the shot too. All right. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, check that out. The black is metallic. I was not expecting the black to be a metallic black. That's surprising. The seat's got the Mickey Mouse signature embroidered in the sides. Very cool. Very cool. Gotta love that. All right. Check out that front fender. We've got the yellow trim on the metallic wheels. Very nice. A great, really cool Mickey Mouse. Really cool Mickey Mouse decal right here. That wheel with the argent silver, metallic silver wheel. Got a Mickey Mouse sticker right down here on the carb door. Then we got another Mickey graphic here on the side. Black, the red, and the yellow is fantastic. So really love this. Looks great. Looks very cool. If you have any questions or you want to pre-order one of these, you want to get in touch with us, Cleveland Moto. That's www.clevelandmoto.com. We got the Mickey Mouse 100th anniversary of Disney. That's what this is all about. 100th anniversary of Disney, limited edition Mickey Mouse Primavera. Give us a call at Cleveland Moto. Remember to ride fast and take chances.